Whew. Everything feels nice. I mean, comfort, you can't put a price on comfort. I've got some accessories, just came in some new stuff that you might need in your life. So let's start unboxing. This is some kind of VR cover, I'm presuming. Keep your stuff fresh and clean. Nice, right here. There you go. All right. Does this have instructions? Place the side strap over the left and right hoops. Tuck Velcro straps under the foam so they attach to the headset. Oh, it comes with two. Oh wow, you've got two, right? So I guess you can rotate them and then kind of wash them out. As one is washing, you can wear the other one. Hand wash only, maximum 30 degrees Celsius. So let's hook the front. There we go. Hook around the side. Hook around the other side. So there you go. It's like a cushion between you and your... I guess this can go under here. Like you could stick this under here to like wrap. There you go. To wrap it around the foam per se. And some VR covering in your life. There you go. And the last one hooks right there. So it's like an extra protection or form of protection between the foam and your face, so that way you can keep the foam nice and fresh. And wow, it's soft and nice. Put them on and see how I feel. Oh wow, it feels like nice and cushiony. Feels like my face is on a bed. Nice and fluffy. I like it, and I can't see nothing. It keeps the light out even better. Wow, looking forward. Wow. Listen, you need comfort when you're flying, right? Especially if you're flying the standard FPVs like this, where you can't really hit the pause button. You need everything to be nice, sealed in, and comfortable from the time you take off, and these can fly with this as well. Cardboard box. Whoa, what is this? We've got some filings. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? Nice pouch, little thingy with a zipper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, what is this? Oh, I remember this company reaching out to me, and they were like, if you wear glasses, look at this. I don't want to touch the lens. It's even labeled R for right. It's got L and R, L for left and R for right. So this company reached out to me and said, hey, instead of wearing your glasses, we can make these like prescription glasses for you, and then you don't have to wear your glasses in the goggles or worry about your glasses jamming up. So in case you wear glasses, this company here, VR Wave, yeah, you just send them your prescription, and bada bing, bada boom, you've got glasses that can clip on. Oh, they even sent a cleaning rag. This is nice. And you've got glasses that'll clip onto your goggles. I told them I don't wear glasses. I have 20/20 vision. But they said they'll send me this anyway. This will enhance my view and make it just better. So, oh my gosh, is my goggles getting decked out today or what? Like right, oh wow. And the one that says right just clicks in as well. Oh wow, can't wait to try these out. Could you imagine you wear glasses and then you don't have to worry about your regular glasses? You just put the goggles on and boom, you've got a solution. You're zoned in, you're dialed in, you can see. This is awesome, guys. If you guys wear glasses, definitely check them out. And there you have it. Hopefully nothing falls out. Wow, I like this. It has packaging instructions that shows you how to pack every single thing. Oh, it even holds the motion controller. This is pretty nice, guys. Are you seeing this? It even holds the motion controller. It's all in one. Like, I wouldn't say soft case. I definitely would not say hard case. I would say like a medium case solution. It even comes with a strap. There we go. Really nice. Everything fits here, guys. If you like to travel with your chargers, put it over there. Even your motion controller fits under there. If not, you just pack extra stuff. Maybe your VR case for your VR goggles stuff, if you want, can go under there. There you go. You probably fit another 2 batteries over here as well. So even if you got up to like 5 batteries, I could see it holding in here. That's ridiculous. Plus 1 in the aircraft, 6. I have one battery on this strap that's in the case, and another one goes right here. Oh wow, they thought of everything. Let's flap down over here. We've got propellers, extra props fit in there. Let's see. Whoop, there you go. Zip it up to keep it in. And close it up. My 15-inch Dell XPS 15 fits in there. Let's zip it up. Feels nice, solid. Of course, the more weight you put in it, the more heavy it's gonna be, but it seems to have a very solid strap over here, rubber handle, and some kind of X stitching over here. Pretty nice, solid. You could take the weight, at least it feels so. We'll see how long this stands up for, but it definitely feels like quality. This thing actually holds my regular FPV stuff with the lid closed, with the props on. I've got 4 batteries here, 2, that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, probably up to 12 batteries comfortable. I'm sure you could squeeze more in there. The Skyliner fits in there perfectly, and heck, I can use it for both DJI FPV and regular FPV. I've got the drone over here with props on, controller with sticks attached. No need to remove your sticks to work this bad boy. I've got my lanyard in here. It is definitely an ND16 day. So let's pop that bad boy right on there, nice and snug. Pop a fresh battery in there. This padding, oh, it feels so nice and soft on your face, and it keeps the extra light out. If you need glasses or you wear glasses, this I highly recommend. This here helps to filter blue light, and it also helps to protect this, your main lens, from getting scratched, which is very important. So I'm going to put this back on. This is some good stuff. Look how fast setup is. Like, this is unbelievable. The goggles fits with the strap and everything. If you have to wear glasses, you just pop your glasses off, put it down on the table, put your goggles on, your glasses are all set. You got comfort padding over here. It doesn't get better than this. Woohoo! Everything feels nice. I mean, comfort, you can't put a price on comfort, right? Comfort's important. I'm excited to see. So far, the signal is beautiful. Nice. Towards the lake, there's even a boat out here. Maybe I can wrap around this boat, catch a nice shot. Goggles nice and comfortable. Nice clear. The VR glasses, just, I haven't noticed any difference. Like I said, I don't wear glasses, but if you do wear glasses, it's definitely something you're gonna want to get. Let's head back to shore. There you have it, guys. Everything works good, flies perfect, more comfortable, better vision, better signal strength. Can't go wrong, guys. This is as good as it gets, right? Most of the upgrades are here, but look, this is your vision, this is your eyes, this is your signal. You gotta invest in your goggles, right? So yeah, and definitely a good protective case to keep everything in, so it's quick. Take it out, fly, put it back up. You don't have to fiddle with the props. You don't have to fiddle with the sticks, nothing, and everything fits. Your flying more pack, you could probably even hold up to 5 batteries, easy. Your laptop, charging cables, you name it, everything. Small, compact solution. Can't ask for better, right? There'll be links for everything in the description section below. Go ahead and give me a huge thumbs up, or you hit subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you hit the bell to get notified when I release more DJI FPV videos. With that being said, guys, I will catch you whenever I can. Make sure you become a Patreon, guys. Big benefits to Patreon. Get direct access to me. Any questions? I'm right here on Patreon. Support this channel, and there's benefits. Last Mini 2 went all the way to the UK.